Hi guys, if you are getting friend suggestion notification from Instagram, something like this, and want to turn it off, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, open Instagram. Now simply tap on your profile icon here, and then tap on this 3 horizontal line. Now scroll down. Now here you will see the option notifications. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down, and here tap on this option following and followers. Now here scroll down, and you will see this option account suggestions, which is on right now. You have to simply turn it off. And once you turn off the account suggestion, from now on Instagram will stop sending you friend suggestion notification. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off friend suggestion notification on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.